everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy process on how to add NFT to OpenSea. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to add NFT on your OpenSea, you'll need to first create an NFT. To do so, click open a web browser of your choice. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the very top of the screen and type in OpenSea.io and press enter. Make sure that you are logged into your OpenSea account in order to create or add an NFT. Once you're logged in, you should see a button that says create at the upper right hand corner. Give it a click and now you can create a new item on this page. Select the image of your NFT by clicking on the image icon at the very top. Select an image for your NFT from your library. Once you do that, type in the name of your item in the first text box and then provide a detailed description of your item into the description box. Right under collection, select your collection type. You can customize your NFT further, add in properties, levels, stats, and even unlockable content. You can also select which blockchain you'd like to mint on your NFT. Finally, after filling in all of the information needed, click on the Create button at the bottom of the screen, and there you have created a new NFT. That way, you can add in a new NFT on your OpenSea account, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.